Can I use family sharing with multiple Apple IDs?
Hello, and welcome to our guide on using family sharing with multiple Apple IDs. Today, we'll be looking at how to use this fantastic feature from Apple that allows you to share purchases, subscriptions, and more across multiple Apple IDs. So, let's dive right in.
What is family sharing?
Family sharing is a feature provided by Apple, allowing up to 6 family members to share purchases from Apple Books, App Store, and iTunes, an Apple Music family plan, an Apple Arcade subscription, an Apple News Plus subscription, an Apple TV Plus subscription, and an iCloud storage plan, all without sharing accounts. Each person's photos, files, and documents remain private. Family sharing also lets you share a family photo album, calendar, and reminders, and even helps locate missing devices.
Can I use family sharing with multiple Apple IDs?
Absolutely. Family sharing is designed to be used with multiple Apple IDs. Each member of your family or your group needs to have their own Apple ID. They then join the family group using their unique Apple ID. This way, everyone keeps their own personal accounts and their individual preferences and settings, while still being able to share the benefits of Apple's services.
How to set up family sharing?
Setting up family sharing is straightforward. First, one person, the family organizer, sets up family sharing, invites up to 5 additional family members, and agrees to pay for any purchases those family members initiate while part of the family group. Family members can then start enjoying Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, and other subscriptions, access each other's purchases and content, and share photos, a calendar, and locations, all while retaining their own Apple IDs.
Important points to remember.
While family sharing is an excellent feature, it's important to understand the implications. Here are a few key points to keep in mind. The family organizer is responsible for all purchases made by the family members added to the group. All family members must use the same credit card for App Store and iTunes purchases. This credit card information, however, isn't shared with the other members. Not all content, including some apps and music, can be shared due to license restrictions. And there you have it. With family sharing, you can share Apple's services and benefits with up to 6 people, all while keeping your individual Apple IDs. This feature provides a way for families to enjoy Apple's suite of services while maintaining their own preferences and settings. We hope this video has been helpful and shed some light on how to use family sharing with multiple Apple IDs. Remember, sharing is caring, especially with Apple Family Sharing.